find out how to earn 100 euros in Bitcoin, and today we're using Swissborg. And here we are on the site. This is Swissborg, who is a company that was started in 2017 in Switzerland, that is headed by a team over there. They've created this app or platform, and we're going to use this today. As we can see, the aim was to invest in cryptos the smart way, and we can see here how you can buy, sell, and exchange all cryptocurrencies with 15 fiats, including the euro, the Swiss franc, and the pound. And the platform on here looks really good. As you can see, it's on the App Store as well. We're going to look at all of this today. So as we can see, don't pay for more for the same cryptos. I think they link it with different exchanges, and they look at the best price to give you in liquidity. So here we can upgrade to premium and pay 0% on fees, but you do have to hold 50,000 Swissborg tokens, which I think is just over $1 a coin at the minute, so that's over $50,000. We won't be touching that right now. Let's scroll down a little bit. And the main reason we're using the platform today is for the free Bitcoin, which I'm hoping to share with you guys today. As we can see here, we can invest in local currency, safe and secure. Please do your own research on the company on the platform. We're planning to use it for the free Bitcoin. You can claim the free Bitcoin and then withdraw it to your own personal wallet. So might as well take advantage of these referral rewards while they're here, so you can share it with your friends. And every successful invite earns you a reward ticket. So on here on the page, you can see the info. So you get a rewards ticket from between €1 and up to 100 euros. So every successful invite. So you do have to deposit a little bit of whichever coin you want to deposit in. You can do fiat or crypto. So you need to share your link, make a deposit of at least 50 euros. So I'm going to make a deposit and claim the free Bitcoin. And then we receive a ticket and claim our reward. So I think there are, just want to check out the terms and conditions on this. My friend did recommend this to me, and he's done it, says it works and everything, so it's all good. Let's just have a look at the rewards program. So here it says the process is simple. So you invite a friend, you both get rewarded once you guys make a deposit. So once you guys sign up as well, we both get this reward ticket. I'm not sure if it's the same amount, but it is free and we both get rewarded. Now it's between 1 and 100. I presume majority of it is lower end, but let's find out. There is also no limit on how many friends you can invite, so let's see if we can get some free Bitcoin. So the first thing we need to do is click the link and enter your mobile number. So my friend gave me the link here. I'm going to pop in my number just so it links you for your referral, so you both get the referral reward. If you don't do that, you don't get the free Bitcoin. So please do make sure you click in the link in the description below, pop your number in. So I've just popped my number in. It tells you you do qualify for free Bitcoin. So let's go ahead, download the app and see where it takes us. I've actually just got a text through with the link to download the app. So let's do that now. I'm going to take some screenshots to show you the process. The first step is taking me through to the App Store. We need to download and install the app. So let's download and install that. It's taking us through a few menus here. I'll screenshot it all here. So a few different, I like a welcome tour. Here we go. So we can see all the info here, which is pretty good. just explaining the benefits of the app. Please do your own research with where you keep your cryptocurrency. We're doing this to qualify for the free Bitcoin and then withdraw it. Share it with others and we will get some free Bitcoin. So it says we can retake the tour or get started. We're going to click get started. Pop your number in. Of course, use the same number you did before. We click next. We just got a text code coming through, so we put that in. Then we need to have a PIN number, so secure it with a 4-digit passcode. Just asking us for some personal information. Agreeing with the terms of use and privacy policy. So we pop in our personal details. Next is the email address, which we have to verify. So we just got email through, click continue. You click to open the app, confirm our address. Just pop in our financial experience and background. Then we need to verify our identity here. So you need some valid photo ID and a selfie, I guess, just to prove you are who you say you are. So they're now going to review my documents shortly. And very quickly, it's been approved. So we're ready to go. Let's get the app open. So we're in the app. What we need to do is deposit some crypto. So I'm going to deposit some Bitcoin. I'm going to send over 0.01 in Bitcoin. So I'm going to click Bitcoin here. We get the address, and again we just send that over to the address. Let's wait for that to land and we'll come back. So we've just sent the Bitcoin, just waiting for it to confirm. And after a short while, the Bitcoin deposit has landed. Here's the notification. So we've got a deposit arrived and we've got a reward. Oh, we've got a gift. Getting so excited about this right now. Could be anything from €1 to €100. So let's click that. Enter the passcode. Here we go. Our invite is complete. Let's redeem it. See how much we get. Waiting for it to load. Here we go. Nice ticket. Okay, what we have to do is scratch it. Oh, it's like a real scratch it. Okay, and let's see how much we get. Ready? Now, I'm not sure on how much we do get, what's determined, as it might be completely random, but let's see how much we do get. So, are we ready to scratch it? Let's go. And we did get €2 in Bitcoin. Bit of an anticlimax maybe, but still €2 free is added to our account. So let's go back to the balance and have a look. So we did deposit 0.01. So we should have 0.000 something. Let's have a look. Here we go. As we can see in the balances, it is here. So it has been added. I'm going to keep it here. I've got a few more people to share it with. Once it gets up, I'll withdraw the balance. I might even look over the platform, have a look. Might even keep it there and use the features. Please do your own research on that, but it's looking good. At least it works. So we clicked on rewards. Here's my link. So guys, get your free Bitcoin. I'm going to pop my link in the description below. Follow the steps exactly what I've done here, and you can get from €1 up to €100 in Bitcoin completely free. And let's do it. Let's make some Bitcoin. I get notification when you guys do it as well. Do comment below when you get your bonus and how much you get. I would love to know how much you get, see if it's the same as the reward. Let's see how much we can make. I want to see who gets the €100. Let's do this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos where you can get some free Bitcoin, some money tips, and lots more.